Jazz. It's from Ali and it's me. I did not expect na magagawa mo yun to me because I thought, we're homies na. Ay, simba ko. Super foul lahat ng sinabi mo. To me, to the point na, hala ka, mami. To the point na din namin mo, fam, education, shooter, and ex. Kodem. Lahat ng sinabi ko is basically, wala sa script ko because you literally triggered me. And if sinabi ko lahat or sinunod ko yung nasa script ko, so parang ibig sabihin nun, pumayag lang ako na i-insult mo ko. Because lahat ng nasa script ko yesterday is lahat joke. And ayoko kasi ma-hurt yung feelings mo nang dahil sa isang rap battle lang. If you got offended sa mga sinabi ko, I'm sorry. Pero I don't think na kaya ko pang ibalik kung ano yung na-build natin. For real. I'm really sorry, Jazz. JM, it's for me. I thought we're homies, like real. I just want you to let you know that I'm very happy that we have some same humors, you know what I mean, haha. But like, I want to say sorry too kasi I'm very clingy type of girl to the point that some people may misunderstood my attitude. Thank you, but I think it's better na sinabi ko or sabihin ko to. For me, I promise it won't happen again. To everyone, it's from me, Ali Pretty. I hope next time, or I hope na hindi niyo na ma-misunderstood yung attitude ko because that's the real me. That's the real Fiang. You all a very clingy type of girl whenever she feels like home is her home. But yeah, you know, I miss you all and I love you, but yeah. And yeah, I don't like JM. He's my best man.
Kuya, dito sa bahay mo po, kuya, sa loob ng bahay mo, si JM po ay aking best friend. Sa kanya lang po ako komportable mag-open.
I love you, Jazz. Let's just talk after mo. Pretty me. Thank you,
Miss you, Fiang. Kuya, ayaw ko rin naman ho nang may agwat sa kanilang dalawa. Lalo't pareso silang malapit sa akin. Kilala ko si Fiang. Kilala ko rin naman ho si Jazz. Basta ho sa part ho ni Jazz, gagawin ko ho yung kung ano man ho kaya ko para ho maibalik ko yung band nila ni Fiang, kuya. Marami pang hindi na bagay. Di pa naman tayo nag-usap-usap. Ano bang hindi naiintindihan si Fiang?
Ha?
Marami pang hindi nag-get si Fiang.
Yeah.
Dahil, hintayin na lang natin mabuting. At sa part naman po ni Fiang, susubukan ko po siyang kausapin ko yun ng nasinsinan patungkol ho sa lahat ng bagay.
Pagbalik naman ni Fiang sa mga teens,
Seems like we never get a chance to cheat on.
Naiyak po si Fiang po ulit, kuya. Mas nag-breakdown na po siya. Maybe because she was able to tell how she felt na po in front of them po.
Did you see Ate Jazz's face? Nakita ko siya.
Agkarit.
Sinabi ko lang to, Jazz. Pinino ko lang siya doon. Sabi ko, galing sa akin yun. Galing, ito na, babasahin ko.